Could you, like Abdul, transform your financial destiny in the stock market? This intriguing question sets the stage for an inspiring journey that weaves through the highs and lows of Abdul's life, a tale masterfully penned by Mahesh Chandra Kaushik in Abdul's Journey from Zero to Hero in the Stock Market. Picture Abdul, a man grappling with financial struggles, yet determined to change his fate. His journey into the stock market wasn't smooth sailing. There were times when he was knocked down, when the market seemed a merciless beast, and when his dreams seemed far-fetched. But Abdul was not a man to be easily defeated. He was relentless in his pursuit of financial freedom, and the stock market was his chosen battlefield. Abdul's journey is a testament to the power of resilience and perseverance. His strategies weren't concocted overnight. Instead, they were carefully crafted from his experiences, from his trials and errors, and from his unwavering belief in his dream. His story is a powerful reminder that success doesn't come easy, but with the right mindset and strategies, it is within reach. As you delve into the pages of this book, you witness Abdul's transformation from a novice to a hero in the stock market. His journey is not just an inspiration, but a roadmap, a blueprint that can guide you towards your own success in the stock market. Now imagine yourself in Abdul's shoes. Picture yourself applying the strategies and mindset that propelled Abdul to his financial victory. Can you see the possibility of your own success in the stock market? The opportunity to change your financial destiny is yours for the taking. Abdul's Journey from Zero to Hero in the Stock Market is more than just a book. It's a guide to turning your financial dreams into reality. So, why wait? Purchase Abdul's Journey from Zero to Hero in the Stock Market today, and embark on your own journey to become a hero in the stock market. This is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in yourself and your financial future. Are you ready to take the leap?